Thonur Kare is also called Tondanuru Kare locally. This lake is a natural lake formed by the collection of rainwater from surrounding hills and Yadavanadi river. This is near to the popular Kunthi Betta trek point. So a must visit while you're here. The lake is quite peaceful and one of the ideal picnic spot who living in Bangalore Mysore areas. Reaching this place is quite easy. From Bangalore towards Mysore, it's located a beautiful village called Thonur in the Pandavapura area. From Bangalore around 130 km and from Mysore it's 40 km. There is a good road can go near the lake. On the way you can see paddy fields, sugarcane factories. The lake measures length of 145 meters and a height of 230 meters. It has expanded over 2,150 acres of land. The dam is built across the lake help to provide water for irrigation to surrounding areas. Beside the lake statue of Sri Ramanujacharya is constructed, one of the 4 statues of Ramanujacharya in India. The place is the best weekend picnic spot. Fishing is allowed in the lake. Boating, tepper ride are also available for visitors. The outflow of the lake is called Ramanuja Gange Thonuru Madaga. The lake has a historical background. Tonur Kare was planned and built by the Sri Vaishnava saint Sri Ramanujacharya 1000 years ago and was named by him as Tirumalasagara. The great Vaishnava saint stayed in Thonur from the year 1909 to 1111. During the period of his stay in Thonur he identified the lake and constructed a mandapa around it and named as Tirumalasagara. Sri Ramanujacharya built a temple and started worshipping an idol of Lord Nambi Narayana. The writings about Thonur Kare can be seen in the history chapters of Bijapur Sultans, Mughals, and Tipu Sultan. Bijapur Sultan Adil Shah was believed to be found this lake during his period. The Mughal Subedar Nasir Jung referred to this lake as Moti Talab, Lake of Pearl, after seeing his image in crystal clear water of the lake. History also says that the Mysore ruler Tippu Sultan renovated the bunds of the lake and constructed caves in them. They are called Tippu Caves. The mythological importance of Thonur Lake is related to the story of Hoysala princesses. When Ramanujacharya arrived at Thonur, the place was ruled by Hoysala king Bitti Deva, also called Vishnuvardhana. Bittadeva came to visit the Ramanujacharya along with his daughter. The king told about the illness processed by a ghost of his daughter. Ramanuja suggests visiting the temple after taking a bath in Thonur Lake. The king along with his daughter visited the temple soon after she gets cured. Hence the lake is believed to be holy. There is a belief that Ramanujacharya still stayed in this place in the form of a snake. This amazing historical lake is spread over an area of 2,150 acres. The lake is a fisherman's delight as it is home to many varieties of fishes. The visitors can go for boating in a country-made boat called Thepa. Further away on the right side of the lake is a small river beach. It is a place ideal to picnic with sun, sand and water. This is a wonderful place to hang out with friends and family. Best time to visit after the rainy season. The lake will be fully filled. You can swim in the lake if you are a good swimmer. Parking is available. A small food stall is present where you can get coffee, tea and junk foods. From Bangalore to here it's around 140 kilometers, and from Mysore 40 kilometers. The nearest railway station is Pandavapura. Express train is available to Pandavapura from Mysore and Bangalore. From Pandavapura railway station, shared autos and buses are available to Thonurkare. KSRTC and private buses are available from Bangalore to Srirangapatna. From there you can reach Thonurkare by boarding Srirangapatna, Melukot or Srirangapatna Pandavapura, KSRTC a private bus. You all for watching. A humble request: do not throw waste, keep our environment clean and neat. Let us be more responsible towards our environment to make it a better place. You can also explore near the place Kunti Better and surroundings. Along with this place, Kunti Better is one of the ideal night trekking place and view the sunrise. The sunrise from the Kunti Better, it was amazing. You can watch the full detailed video about the place, link in above and in description. Hope you guys like the video. If you have some doubts, kindly comment, we will be happy to help you. We will come back with more interesting videos, so kindly subscribe and turn on the bell button. Thank you all for watching.